You really can't prepare for 9,000 kids. I don't care what's on your mind. I don't care what it sounds like. You really can't compare. It's day 3 at the event. I am exhausted but excited at the same time. The first 2 days, you really can't prepare for 9,000 kids. I don't care what's on your mind. I don't care what it sounds like. You really can't compare. So it hit us, and I was just like, man, this is an overload. But it's exciting at the same time because we get a chance to reach so many kids, and so many of them picked up on the things that we're doing. It's mind-blowing to say the least. So that's what it is for today, and it's supposed to be a lot more older kids today, a lot of adult students or high school students. So look forward to working with them with the workbook and the Uno as usual, getting them to open up, the question games, to the board. I mean, just everything. I just look forward to it today as a whole. The third day is over. You know, the event is wrapped up, and it was everything that I thought it was going to be and more. You can hear that you're going to work with 20,000 kids, but there's really no way to truly prepare for it. There's really no way to truly prepare for the energy of thousands of kids coming like waves. Every time you feel like, you know what, I'm done, you got another wave of 2,000 kids, and then you be like, okay, cool, I can take a break, I can go ahead and get something to eat. You got another wave of 1,500 kids. And I was telling the staff or everybody that, I tell my family, put it like that, the family that helped me with this, I said, this is our opportunity to help a lot of kids. So we have to maximize ourselves for these 3 days, because we never know how our words and our actions is going to impact others. We don't know what these people are dealing with. We don't know what these kids are going through. We don't know none of that. And we have the opportunity to reach as many people as possible within these 3 days. Then we need to buckle down. And we seen the impact. We got a chance to truly see it. See their faces. See, you know, kids crying because they had to leave. Seeing them get the workbook. Seeing them just all these different things we got a chance to see and be hands-on with. And I'm appreciative of being able to have the chance to reach them.